Welcome to Dating Wolf, your go-to for mastering the dating game and becoming a confident wolf in the jungle. From creating a great dating profile to volunteering to randomly approaching women in person, there are a lot of possible ways you can get a girlfriend in 2024. In fact, we've put together a list of the best ways to get a girlfriend in modern times. Let's dive in. Number 1. Join clubs and events. To increase your chances of finding a girlfriend, it's essential to expand your social circle and meet new people, including both people who are potential girlfriends and just friends. Joining clubs and attending events are great ways to connect with like-minded people and potentially finding your love life. Look for hobbies or interests that you enjoy and find relevant clubs or social groups where you can participate and bond over those interests with others. If you are looking for a like-minded person, just see what you do on your free time and visit such a club. If you like to work out, consider visiting a club that has something to do with physical activity. This might sound crazy, but you could also try yoga. It's pretty fun, trust me. That way, expanding your social network doesn't feel forced or awkward. It feels natural. Attending local events such as art shows, seminars, or workshops can go a long way in expanding your social circle. The connections you make at these events will bring you to meet new people, including those with potential romantic interests. And by participating in activities you actually enjoy, you'll naturally be more relaxed and confident, making it easier to connect with potential partners. Plus, shared interests can provide a strong foundation for a healthy relationship. Explore activities and hobbies that you genuinely enjoy, and you'll likely meet like-minded women who you're just naturally more likely to vibe with. This shared enthusiasm and understanding can form a solid foundation for a relationship and make your search for a girlfriend more enjoyable and efficient. Number 2. Volunteer for activities. Volunteering is one of the best ways to get a girlfriend in 2024. It's an effective way to meet a more diverse group of people, and that group of people will include potential girlfriends. Volunteering allows you to bond with people while working together with a sense of camaraderie. Some popular volunteering options include participating in local charity events, working with environmental organizations, or assisting at community centers. By volunteering your time and expertise, you will appear approachable, selfless, altruistic, caring, and genuine, all of which are positive traits women look for in a partner. Number 3. Social circles and mutual friends. Expanding your social circles and connecting with mutual friends is a great way to find a girlfriend. Do everything you can to attend parties, events, and gatherings where you can meet new people. Say yes to opportunities. And when you go to events, start conversations and be open to making new connections. Don't just talk to the people you already know. If you want to find a girlfriend, you need to meet new people, and you need to be comfortable approaching and engaging with new people. Number 4. Gym and fitness centers. If you're into fitness, then gym and fitness centers offer a unique environment to meet potential partners who share your lifestyle. While working out, be friendly and open to conversations while respecting others' boundaries and reading their body language. Some people just don't want to be bothered while working out. Joining group classes or participating in fitness challenges can provide great opportunities for bonding and meeting women. Exercise puts people in a good mood, so take advantage of that high and see if you can find your potential girlfriend at the gym. Number 5. School or work environments. School and work are two of the most common places people meet romantic partners. If you see someone you're attracted to at school or work, get to know them by striking up conversations during breaks, after working hours, or during social events or extracurriculars. Study together or create opportunities to work on a project together. Especially at work, it's essential to keep your interactions respectful and avoid any sticky situations. Things are much easier and more relaxed at school. If you're a student, you spend a lot of time in school. And if you work, you spend a lot of time at work. Take advantage of the like-minded people these environments surround you with, and always keep an eye out for someone who catches your eye as girlfriend material. Number 6. Randomly approach women in public. One of the most effective ways to find a girlfriend is simply by being confident and approaching women in person. I know, it might be weird, but just try it. It won't be a one-shot success, but after the 5th try, you will feel more confident. It's just a numbers game. This can be done at school, work, or public spaces like parks, cafes, or grocery stores. When approaching women, make sure to display a genuine interest in getting to know them, and maintain a respectful, friendly demeanor while knowing how to flirt effectively. Throw in some light teasing, playful jokes, and confident eye contact, and light touches on the arm or back to show that you're interested in her. Number 7. Use dating apps. A very common way to find a girlfriend in 2024 is through online dating apps. Dating apps can be particularly useful if you're busy with work or school, or if you feel anxious in social situations. Dating apps such as Tinder, Bumble, and Hinge are some of the best and most widely used apps guys use to get girlfriends. On a dating app, be sure to create a profile that highlights your strengths and interests. Set search filters to match your preferences, and start conversations with open-ended questions to encourage responses. Your dating profile is your first impression of women, so it's crucial to put your best foot forward here with great photos and a stellar bio. We will also share a link in the description where we share some tips on how to perform better on dating apps. So feel free to check it out after this video. And there you have it. 7 ways to get a girlfriend without breaking a sweat. Remember, it's all about creating a genuine connection and having a good time. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more dating wisdom, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy dating, wolves.